Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gillian. Today's video I'm doing a what I eat in a day video, so I'm super excited about this video. I used to love these videos when I was an early raw vegan. So I've been raw vegan since 2016. It's totally transformed my life. It's the best thing I've ever done with my life. I used to have a lot of health problems, get sick often, just totally transformed everything. I feel amazing, full of life, full of energy, full of love. So I will show you what I currently eat to feel so great. Lately, to start my day, what I've been doing is mono fruiting through the morning. So mono fruiting means eating only one fruit until around lunchtime. So this is so good for your digestion. It makes me feel so amazing. And you have to think, like back in the day before grocery stores, for all the variety we had, it would be super natural just to feast off one food now and then. I've been eating watermelon because it's in season. The mornings I like to accomplish a lot, and eating a mono fruit helps me do that. It just makes me feel at my best. It's so good for your digestion. That's what I've been doing from usually about an hour or two after I wake up. I get hungry, so I've been eating until about lunchtime, the watermelons. Next up, I'll show you my favorite lunch ever, lettuce tacos. These lettuce tacos are delicious, so satisfying. I've been making them every single day for lunch for months and months without getting sick of them, and they're so easy to make, and I'm completely addicted. And you'll definitely want to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you the most beautiful blue spirulina ice cream that I've been making as well. Lettuce tacos that I've been eating every single day for lunch. They are so good and they are so fast to make, which is what I love because I live a very fast-paced life. So they're delicious. I do have a recipe video for these that you can go check out, but on these I have some microgreens, tomatoes, corn, carrots, onion, and then a little bit of spice and some lime. So for the spice too, I use salt and pepper, turmeric, and cayenne. They're so good. I love these. So I just want to say too, with eating something like the lettuce tacos, I love it because I feel so good and so energized after. The raw living foods are just so full of life and they leave you feeling so amazing. When I didn't used to eat raw, sometimes I'd eat and then I'd crash and feel like I needed a nap after eating. I love eating raw because it just gives me so much energy after the meal. You should get hungry. I don't know how, I don't time it, but a little bit after the raw tacos lately, I've been having some grenadillas. So these are a type of passion fruit. I absolutely love these. They're so delicious. They are so high in fiber and they actually have anti-anxiety effects as well. So these are amazing. They, I don't know how to describe the taste of them. Sometimes people ask me, how do you describe the taste? It's just something you really have to try. So I will show you how to cut these. You can cut them either in the middle like this in case you're curious. But this is what I do. I cut them in the middle and then I just go like that and like scoop the seeds out and eat them with a spoon. Lately I've also been enjoying some fresh mangoes because they're in season and they are so delicious. Definitely with fruits, I try to eat as in season as possible. So good, look at that. I'll eat a few grenadillas, a few mangoes, and then I'll be fine for a while. And then later in the afternoon, lately I've been having a coconut or two, usually one coconut. I get these at my local grocery store. Fresh coconuts are just so much better because they're not pasteurized like the ones you get in a carton at the grocery store. So they are technically raw and they're just so full of life and so electric. I like to strain it too when I drink coconuts just to get out the, oops, make a little bit of a mess, but just to get out the little pieces of wood chips in there. So I will drink this and then I will also, where's my spoon, scoop out some of the meat from the inside of the coconut. This is so good, like essential fatty acids. There's so many antioxidants in the coconut meat. I know it is high in fat, so you don't want to eat too many fats, so you might get a little bit tired, but lately I've really been enjoying coconut meat. It is so healthy. For dinner lately, I've been eating a really big salad. For me, the key to staying on the raw vegan diet is eating large portions and making sure I'm eating enough. So you definitely can't compare the portion sizes to the standard American diet or the cooked diet because you're definitely not going to eat enough. So I make like a family-sized salad for myself and it's absolutely delicious. Lately with my salads, I've been doing fresh greens, some microgreens, which are really healthy and really make you feel good. These beautiful cherry tomatoes. Also red onion. So when you can, it's just so amazing to go to the farmers markets because the food is just so fresh. Or obviously if you can, growing your own is the most ideal, but I know we can't all grow our own, so it's definitely second best. So what I also like to add to my salads lately are some pumpkin seeds. So pumpkin seeds are great, they're very anti-parasitic. I've also been adding a few olives. I love olives. So olives are great because they are a probiotic. So they feed your good gut bacteria, which has you feeling in a good mood. Also, I love to sprinkle some hemp hearts, hemp seeds right on my salad. Hemp hearts are great because they're a high source of protein and they have all 9 essential amino acids that the body can't make on their own. So those are super important if you're a vegan or a raw vegan or for anybody. And then I will show you one of my favorite salad dressings lately. So I go through phases where I like to eat the same thing every day for a while, then I'll get sick of it and get on to something new. So this is my favorite salad dressing ever. It is so good. This is a perfect avocado for this too. Look at that. I love it. Avocados are so good. So you'll want to scoop out for this dressing. What I use is, so 1 cup of water and then half of an avocado. Then about 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. I use the juice of about 2 to 3 lemons. And then I'll put a little bit of Celtic sea salt as well. Before I forget too, I'm really excited because next week I'm going to be giving away a Vitamix, the Explorian, which is the same one I use, so a brand new Vitamix. This is so good. So this is lemon avocado salad dressing. It's so easy to make. To me, it's just so much easier to make than buying something store-bought. And you feel so amazing after you eat a salad like this. If you're looking to make a vegan salad dressing, I highly recommend this one. So easy and so good. I just want to note too, when I eat dinner, I try to finish my dinner earlier in the evening so that I'm not eating too close to bedtime. If you eat too close to bedtime, you don't sleep as well because your body's working so hard to digest. So it's ideal to stop eating a few hours before bedtime if you can. So lately I've been absolutely hooked on this blue spirulina, otherwise known as Blue Magic ice cream, or this could be a smoothie bowl as well. It is so freaking delicious. Like, I love it. Anybody loves it who I give it to, even if they're not vegan, raw vegan, everything. I have the recipe coming for this blue spirulina ice cream, which you will love, and it's all natural too, I think I forgot to say. So this color is beautiful. You've probably seen it on Instagram in your feed. But anyway, I have this recipe coming in next week's video, so do stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss that. And also you won't want to miss the Vitamix giveaway I'm doing next week. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you next week. Bye.